Welcome to the Artispreneur Academy. In this course, you will learn how to book and promote your own shows. Let us get started. First, introduction to show booking. Why booking your own shows is important. Build your fan base. Live shows offer a direct way to connect with new listeners. Control your revenue. You manage ticket sales, fees, and merch sales. Types of shows you can book. Local gigs, performing at smaller venues in your city. Tours, performing in multiple cities. Next, researching and selecting venues. Identifying the right venues for your genre. Match your genre. Make sure the venue's typical acts align with your sound. Consider venue size. Choose a venue that fits your current fan base size. Understanding venue types. Bars and clubs, great for emerging artists and intimate performances. Theaters, ideal for larger, more formal events. Now, crafting a pitch to venues. Creating a professional EPK. Biography, a short artist bio. Music samples, links to your best songs. Performance history, previous show experiences and press mentions. Writing a pitch email that gets a response. Be concise, include only the necessary information. Following up with venue managers. Then, negotiating terms with venues, understanding booking contracts. Revenue split, the percentage of ticket sales you'll keep. Merch sales, whether you keep 100% of merch revenue or split with the venue. Setting up a performance agreement, your fee, flat fee or a percentage of ticket sales. Writer, your technical and hospitality needs. Moving on, promoting your show. Creating a marketing campaign for your performance. Use a countdown strategy on social media. Design engaging flyers and graphics to share with your audience. Using social media and email campaigns to sell tickets. Running social media ads targeted to your fan base. Emailing your mailing list with early access or special offers. Partnering with local media outlets. Almost there, managing your show. Preparing for performance day. Creating a detailed schedule for your performance day. Doing a tech run-through with the venue team to ensure everything is working properly. Coordinating with the venue team. Sound engineering. Ensure sound quality for the performance. Lighting tech. Ensure lighting fits your aesthetic. Ensuring a smooth show experience. First, frequently asked questions. How do I set the right ticket price? Venue size and typical ticket rates. Your fan base. Consider your audience's budget. What should I include in a performance rider? Technical requirements, microphones, amps, stage setup, hospitality, food, drinks, accommodations. So, that wraps up book and promote your own shows. Booking and promoting shows gives you control over your live performance career. Work closely with venues to ensure a smooth show day. Build relationships with venues to get rebooked for future performances. Remember, art means business.